Hello, good evening, and a very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Mohammad Asif Lias, and I hope you all are doing very well. So, without wasting our time, let's start today's session. In today's session, we are going to learn a new concept of mathematics, and the name of the concept is arithmetic progression. So, what an arithmetic progression or AP is all about? Well, it is nothing but a sequence of numbers in which each term can be obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term, except the first term. And the fixed number or the constant number that we add is called the common difference. For understanding this definition, let's look at the diagram that I have drawn over here. Here, several bricks are arranged in a definite way. If we look at the diagram, the number of bricks is increasing if we move from one layer to another layer. The difference of number of bricks is 1, and the difference is constant between two consecutive layers. For all the consecutive layers, the difference is same, so we can say that this forms an AP. Now, for understanding the concept of an AP, I am giving an example. Suppose if I write 17, then 34, then 51, then 68, then 85, and so on. Now, if we look at this series, here between two consecutive numbers, the difference is how much? It's 17. Now, if we again see the difference between these two consecutive numbers, the difference is 17, 17, 17. And this difference is constant. And this constant difference is called the common difference. It is denoted by the small letter d. And the first term is denoted by small letter a in case of an AP. Now, one more example I would like to add over here. Suppose a father told his son that if you would study well, then I would add rupees 50 every month to your pocket money. So, if the first month's pocket money is rupees 100, then in the next consecutive month it would be 150, and for the next month it would be 200, and for the next month it would be 250, and so on. Here, if we look at the numbers, again the difference between the two consecutive terms is same. The common difference is same. It is 50, 50, 50. So again, we can say that this forms an AP. Now, moving to the next point, the common difference. Common difference is of three types. Firstly, positive common difference. Secondly, negative common difference. And lastly, zero common difference. These two examples shows positive common difference. And if you want to study negative common difference, then we can take the example of this bricks. If we move from bottom to top, here the number of bricks is decreasing, but the common difference is same. Okay, so this is an example of negative common difference. And for zero common difference, I'm giving an example. Suppose you are going to buy something. So on the first day you have spent rupees 1000. Okay, again on the second day you went to buy something and you again spent the same amount, rupees 1000. And similarly on the third day, fourth day, you are spending rupees 1000. Okay, 1000 on the first day, 1000 on the second day, and 1000 on the third day, and so on. Here we can clearly see that the common difference is 0. D is 0. So this is an example of zero common difference. Now moving to the next point. The next point is how to find the nth term of an AP. Well, nth term is represented by a small a suffix n. Okay, and for understanding this concept, I am drawing a diagram. Now see, this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. Okay. If we look at this diagram, initially the number of balls were 3. Okay, and this is our first term. Okay, and then we added 2 balls in it. Okay, so this 2 balls is our common difference. So by adding the common difference to the first term, we got the second term. So second term can be written as a plus 1d or a plus d. How we are getting 1d? See here, the number of term is second term, and if we subtract 1 from it, then we get 1d. Similarly, for third term, it can be written as a plus 2d, because what we are getting the third term. How? We are adding 2 times d to the first term, that is a plus 2d, and in this way we got the third term. Similarly, the nth term can be obtained. How can we get the nth term? Nth term would be a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is the formula for nth term. Okay, so if we know the value of a, if we know the value of n, that is number of terms, and if we know the value of small d, that is common difference, then we can easily calculate the nth term of an AP. Okay,